At Nexo Immigration, we understand that obtaining a visa in Colombia can raise doubts and confusion. That's why we offer a comprehensive and personalized solution to ensure your transition is simple and secure. From the very first contact, we work with you virtually or in person, depending on what best suits your needs. We begin with a planning meeting where we analyze your immigration situation and guide you through every step of the process. We take care of reviewing and submitting your visa application to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, ensuring that everything is in perfect order. If you are in Medellín, we accompany you to your appointment to obtain your foreign ID card, which is your cédula de extranjería. At Nexo, we have an interdisciplinary team of experts dedicated to helping you achieve your long-term goals in Colombia and addressing any concerns you may have during the process. And if you're in another city or country, we manage the entire process completely online. Ready to get started? Fill out the form in our website and an expert will contact you. At Nexo Immigration, we make your arrival in Colombia simple and hassle-free.